Hey guys, and welcome back to our ongoing Scratch series on how to make a tower defense game. So in this episode we are going to make it so that the higher tier balloons will go faster. So all we're going to do is we're just going to drag a divide. So we're just going to take 135 and we're going to divide that by the costume number. And we're going to divide that. And then we're going to take a multiply and do, I think this, just so this will become like that. And now we're just going to copy this, 125, this. You can actually just delete this, and we're just going to, oh, never mind. Now we have to redo this. Shouldn't take too long. So we're just going to click this, start the round. Okay, so we have going this way, so we're going to do that. And it's 65. So we're going to put that here. Then we have to go down. So we have to go down. And yes, so this is going to be 95. We're going to duplicate 160. And then 80 here. And then now we just got to figure out. Goes y, and then x times this, then y. Now we should see that they will, oh, this is showing for some reason. Now we will see that that the blue ones will go a bit faster. And it's all perfect like that. So there we go, now we have this system working. That's that. And now I want to make it so that you can pop the balloons with your mouse. So we're just going to go here. When I start as a clone, because when we clone it, we want to be able, so we want to access the clone, so we're going to do wait until, operators, and sensing, touching mouse pointer, and mouse down. And then we're just going to do balloons on the screen, -1. Then we're going to go to control, and then delete this clone. So now there's one problem. Oh, let's set the round to number 2. No, 1. So round to 1. So we start the round, we're going to have these red ones. You'll be able to see it that it works fine. But if we want the blue balloons to go back down to red, it's not going to work. So that means we have to change the costume. Yeah, repeat until costume name equals red. We're just going to add red there. Go looks, costume, change number to name, then like that, like this, and then set costume to -1 of costume number because we're going back 1. And we're just going to do this forever. So now it should work. These are orange. And it does not work. We'll fix that later. And then we have to see, oh, whoops. If, and then, so if it's equal to red, we don't need this repeat until. we're just going to do that. So now when we do this, it should work. Red balloons get popped. There we go, down to red. And you can hold it, and that's kind of a problem. So we'll do, wait 1 second, and there you go. And just like that, it should work. Now we also want to award money for the balloons that they popped. So we'll just do money, add that by 1. So now you'll see that we don't only get money from, oh, why don't it work? Oh, because these are red and we want to get money. Okay, now you will see that not only from one second may be a bit too long, but you will see that we will earn money from that. So let's change this down to 0.1, 0.1. So there's that. Now if we run the project, this is what we have so far. Oh yeah, by the way, forgot to mention in some of the earlier episodes, let me know of a name for this game that we should put here. Comment, make sure to comment the name so I will be able to see it. So click start round, and there we go. Oh, we can still do that. So wait until that, and then wait until mouse is not down. So let's try that. Oop. So now if we spawn the balloons, give it a minute, it still doesn't do it. Try here. No, it still does it. Well, that's fine. I think we can fix it later. So there's that. Our balloons now pop. So we are going to now add some, we're not going to add any towers yet. That's going to be coming next episode. But we are going to be adding the game over menu. So we're going to go to choose a sprite, paint, and we're going to make a rectangle. We're going to stretch it basically the whole screen. If you want to drag it like this, not like this, hold shift on your computer. There we go. Let's set this to a brown color. Anyway, let's just make that line a little bit bigger, like that. And then we'll put this to black, and we'll do game over. Change the font to, no, curly, no. Let's do marker. Perfect. Game over. And then we'll do, let's have this be like a gradient. So we're going to choose this color. We're going to choose this color again, and we'll make this like, I guess, lighter. Oh wait. Swap. Choose the color. This is a bit too gray for me. We'll make it just darker. Let's do this. There. So now this is going to, we're going to rename the sprite to game over, and we're going to make sure that when we go to when I receive title screen, make sure this is hidden, and we'll set the ghost effect, that's basically the transparency, to 100, which is full transparent. Just like that. We're also going to make this go to this position, make the X 0 so it's on the exact center, and just like that we have our game over, except we need to broadcast it. So I also want to make it so that the background gets a bit darker. So we'll do, in here we'll do when show map icons, and then we'll do lives is, or is 1 is more than lives. One is more than lives. We will broadcast new message. We will broadcast game over. So then let's go to control, repeat 10, change brightness by 5. So when we clear graphic effects, it darkens a bit. Let's do this 12 times. There. That is good. So now, when game over is broadcasted, we are going to do a few things. So duplicate that. We are going to first of all show, and we are also going to go to events, repeat, or control basically, and then we're going to go looks, change ghost effect by -10. You'll see that this will kind of fade in if this is shown, just like that. We're also going to make it glide to the center of the screen, so it'll look like this. And now, when we have this all in motion, let's broadcast game over. It'll be like that. I also want to make this so that it will be a bit slower. 25, -4. That's good. So when also game over is broadcasted, we're going to hide these 3 variables. So that's money, lives, and round. I want to put these in the stage so we can keep things organized, because that's kind of where we keep all our stuff. So we're going to do this. And when game over broadcasted, I want to remove it from that just so it'll be easier to test. So let's click play game. This, go to variables, and just set lives, there it is, to 0. And there we go. Game over. So that's our game over screen. And lastly, we are going to add a few more rounds of balloons. Feel free to, this you can edit yourself. There's no real direction for this part if you've been following along. So we're just going to duplicate this, round 3, put that in the else, and we'll have 10 of the green balloons pop out. Now that error we encountered earlier, where it, let's just zoom that. Oh, did that work? There. Where it got off-centered, I want to see what we can do. It's still going with the blue ones. In fact, let's pop them ourselves. Forgot that we could do that. Start round. There, it works. And they're a lot faster, so it's tougher. You can see that our thing works pretty well. We're going to have to make it so that when it's on turn, it will stay on the track. But I think we'll be able to fix that. Oh, we also need to set the balloons in this to 10, just like that. And we'll do next round 4. And then we're going to do 20 this time. We'll do 3 of these, or no, we're going to do 30. We'll do 5, 20. I don't know. Let's do 5 of these. 2 of these, or no, 5 of those, and 10 of one, so that's going to be red. And then, okay. And then for the final 5th round, this won't be the final round, obviously, we'll do 5, number 4. No, we'll do 10. And there, we just have to change balloons on the screen. There we go. We'll set balloons on screen to 0, and now we can view the next round. Can try to play. Can still swipe, I forgot about that. We'll keep that as a feature for now, but we can fix it later if we want. The yellow work well. They're very, like, invisible. Okay. So that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. See you later.